call me every day. Words mean nothing without someone to say. Now I stand beside myself in the pouring rain, and I just want to see your face when you're far away. I miss you, but I know you're here with me when you're far away. I need you.
Lie awake, it's 3:10. This empty feeling, and baby I can't sleep. Only thing I left behind, a smile you can't see. When you're far away, I miss you, but time won't heal the pain. When you're far away, I need you.
And I won't go back, and I can't go back. You're all I ever need, and I want you back, but you can't come back. You know I didn't mean it, I take it back, and still I pray. One more chance for one more day with you. With you. When you're far away, I need you. When you're far away, I miss you, but I know you're here with me. When you're far away, I need you.
Step on, you say we need to talk. He walks, he says sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely and right through some sort of window to your right. As he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along the bitterness that I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you've told him online. I pray to God he hears you, and I pray to God he hears you. And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness that I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. As he begins to raise his voice, save a life.